Hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, o genki desu ka?
Genki desu.
Hey, this is Caithlyn, and oh my god, a million years later, we're finally finished. I'm so tired, Caithlyn. So talk to us about doing your hair in Japan. This is your first time.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, do you like your hairstyle?
I absolutely love my box braids. Thank you so much.
Lovely, lovely. I'm glad you like it. So tell us about your experience.
It was a journey. I did not know that getting hair, the braiding hair in Japan would be so difficult.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't know that the shipping would take 2 weeks from some websites. I didn't know that the price of braiding hair here would be astronomically expensive compared to the price that I pay in the States. I would pay maybe $27 or $28 for 4 packs.
Wow.
3 bundles in each. Well, here, for 3 packs, 3 bundles in each, I paid 6,000 yen.
Which is like how much?
Maybe $55.
Oh my gosh, more than double. Oh, I look terrible. Like, you know, the hairstylist.
You look lovely.
Oh, thank you. Wow. So it was a trip to get the hair, the braiding hair.
Yes. And on top of me finding someone who sells the braiding hair, and I bought it for 6,000 yen. Then I had to pay the postage.
Oh my god.
Which was almost 1,000 yen, which is maybe equivalent to $8, $8.50, something like that.
Wow.
So it's very expensive, the braiding business in Japan.
Yep.
It's a bit inconvenient.
Yep.
But I know now, if you want your hair done, you gotta do things in advance. Maybe a month in advance, you gotta order the hair from websites. Or if you have it like that, you can pay over 6,000 yen for braiding hair.
Or if you're gonna get it from Amazon US, because Amazon JP doesn't sell this. Actually, they do, but the quality.
I saw weird colors.
I bought a pack once. It was black, but it was terrible. They don't know anything about. I don't know who did that. So
yeah, it didn't come from
recommend
where we usually get it. It didn't come from there.
Exactly. So if you're gonna buy from the US, you have to consider like shipping cost and of course shipping time.
Yeah.
So now you know. Oh my gosh, it was rough.
It was rough, but you are magic.
Oh.
So you made it work with 3 packs.
Thank you.
3 bundles.
Yeah, I was telling her that back in Jamaica, I only have sisters and we do each other's hair. And usually, like, I'm not sure why, but when you get to the top, it's like never ending. And you're like, oh my gosh, I need some hair to do 2 more. And we're like making hair. So we are used to making hair and know how to make it work. So
you definitely do know how to make it work.
Luckily.
I love it.
Oh, congratulations. What time is it now? After 12. So
yeah, 12:13 a.m.
Luckily you drove, so you can just take your time.
Drive back home.
We had like crackers and water today.
Crackers and water.
So tomorrow we can have nice Sunday dinner.
Yes.
And nice hairstyle.
Thank you.
So it took me very long. She's tender-headed, and on top of that, her hair is long, like it's the length of the braid basically, and yeah, I have to be like
very gentle.
Very gentle. And I was like, yeah, because that's my name. And you're like, oh yeah, really? Haha.
Like, ha ha. Yeah, gentle is your name, sure. You're like, no, it's my name. So, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just living up to my name.
You're very gentle.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
oh, it's her first time, so I'm happy that she actually enjoyed it.
Yes. Now I cannot do my hair again, and it's so lovely.
Oh, and we listened to podcasts today, some new ones that I've never listened to before.
A lot of true crime podcasts.
Wow,
Moms
interesting.
and Morbid.
Wow.
My favorite Mercy. Yeah.
So, you know me, like that's very, very new for me. And we listened to Moyen's podcast today.
It was very
Christian entrepreneur.
nice.
So nice. Thank you again for coming, Caithlyn.
Thank you for helping me.
And we live in the bushes. We live very far, so it would have been very hard for her to find a stylist. So I'm glad that everything worked out. All is well that ends well, right?
Yeah.
Yep, Japan is a very interesting place to live. For more on life in Japan, check out my Life in Japan playlist. All right, let's go home.
Let's go home.
Bye. I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica.